Hello everyone. Today we are learning subject pronouns. Let's start with singular. I, you, he, she, it. For the plural we have we, you, they. Again, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Examples: I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. You are my friend. You are my friend. He has lunch. He has lunch. She jumps up high. She jumps up high. It is a sunny day. It is a sunny day. It is a sunny day. We play football. We play football. You, for the plural, you sing songs. You sing songs. Next, they run fast in a race. They run fast in a race. It was an easy peasy lesson for kids. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share if you like. See you soon.